Hey everyone, welcome back to Lux Life. Today we've got something that feels almost unreal. What if Cadillac didn't just make luxury cars, but built a moving five-star hotel? That's exactly what they've done with the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. A futuristic blend of design, technology, and comfort like nothing else on the road. From the outside, it's clear this isn't your average RV. Sharp body lines, Cadillac's signature vertical LED lights, a sleek black grille, and an aerodynamic profile give it the look of a luxury SUV stretched into a motorhome. Add chrome accents, a panoramic windshield, and two-tone paint with ceramic coating, and you've got something that turns highways into red carpets. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've just walked into a luxury suite. Cadillac used real wood, hand-stitched leather, and brushed metal throughout. The lounge features a reclining sofa, a massive 75-inch OLED TV that tucks away, and mood lighting that shifts with the time of day. The kitchen has an induction cooktop, steam oven, and wine cooler, while a digital skylight above can simulate daylight or star patterns at night. The bedroom includes a king-size bed with memory foam and soundproof walls, and even the bathroom feels like a spa, with a rain shower, heated marble floors, and a smart mirror. But this motorhome isn't just about comfort. Under the hood, you can choose a 6.2-liter V8 with 430 horsepower, or go all-electric with a dual-motor AWD system producing 580 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to push this giant from 0 to 60 in just 6.5 seconds, faster than many SUVs. The adaptive air suspension makes rough roads feel smooth, and rear-wheel steering helps it handle tight spaces with ease. Technology is where Cadillac really pushes boundaries. The cockpit is wrapped in OLED screens with augmented reality navigation, gesture and voice controls, and a fully digital dash. You can control almost everything, from lighting to climate, through your phone or smartwatch. It also includes Starlink satellite internet, autonomous parking, and semi-self-driving features for long trips. Of course, Cadillac built in top-tier safety. The motorhome packs Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving, blind spot radar, emergency lane keeping, rollover protection, and even biometric security locks. It can detect if a pet or child is left inside and send real-time alerts. A true fortress on wheels. So what's the price for all this luxury? The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome starts at around $395,000 for the V8, while the electric version begins near $450,000. Fully loaded with upgrades, it can reach about $520,000. Cadillac is clearly aiming this at high-net-worth travelers, influencers, and buyers who want something beyond ordinary RVs. At the end of the day, the Cadillac Motorhome is about more than luxury. It's about rethinking travel. It combines design, comfort, and technology in a way no other RV has. It's not just transportation, it's independence, confidence, and prestige, all in motion. So what do you think? Would you choose the Cadillac Motorhome over a private jet or a traditional RV? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Lux Life, and hit the bell so you never miss our deep dives into the world of luxury. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.